Hello friends, the title of this video must have put you to ponder what is it all about. The title says the divine, the universe has got a better plan for you than you yourself have for yourself. Now to prove this point, I'll give you a story, and at the end of the story I will discuss a few things with you. Now there's a mother, for whatever reason, she wants to abandon the child, leave the child, and she's looking for a place and she finds a church. Now at this, just outside the gate of the church, she leaves the child in the early hours of the morning, and she just leaves. The father, the priest, who comes next morning, and when he looks at the child, he starts looking here and there so that he can find who has left the child. But then eventually he couldn't trace, and he decides that I will take care of this child, or I'll keep this child unless someone claims for the child. He takes the child to his place where he dwells, where he resides, and after many days, when he sees nobody has come to claim the child, he assumes and he understands that nobody is going to ever come back to take the child back. So he adopts the child and he wants to bring up this child. Now this particular church is attached to a school. So this father brings up the child, and when he is 3 years old, or maybe 3.5 years old, he puts him into the school, the play group. But as the time passes by, when he's into his upper KG, the teachers, they come to the priest and say that he is maybe a slow learner, or he is not picking up quite well with the studies. He is not interested, and he is too notorious, so it's difficult to handle him. The priest says, okay, we'll see a little later. So they wait for maybe the first standard. Is there any improvement? But then the child shows no improvement. He's still the same. So now the father decides, okay, maybe it's my luck that the child doesn't want to study. So what he does, he just brings up the child, so he's not educated. And when he is 12 years old or 13 years old, he talks to the child that, see, you have to do something in life. So I can give you an opportunity of working in the church. You come to the church, you do the dusting and the cleaning of the church, and I'll pay you for that. And you keep that money with you. So the child, initially he's a little like he doesn't want to do it, but then father says you have to do it. Something to survive, you have to work. Life doesn't go like that. So the child is like, okay, fine. So he starts working. The child becomes 18, 19 years old. He's quite grown up now. He's still working at the same church. But unfortunately, one day the priest, the father, falls very sick and he passes away. Now after the father passes away, the new priest or the new father who joins the church, which is attached to the school, He is very a disciplined one, and he has his own way of handling things. So he sends a circular, he sends a notice that anyone who is working in this school has to be minimum maybe 8th pass or 9th pass or whatever the case may be. So on that ground, this particular child does not fall into the criteria. He is not eligible to stay, so he is asked to leave the church. And because the residence, sorry, where the father used to live is now being taken over by the new priest. So he has to even leave the house. So he is just put on the street. Now he is very depressed, he's very dejected, and he is like, he's just looking at the God, like, what's happened and what is, like, what life has to offer me now. So he starts walking on the street. As he's walking on the street, this boy was in the habit of smoking. So he feels the urge because he was already in too much of a stress. So he looks here and there where he can buy a cigarette for himself. And walking for a long time, he realizes that there is no shop of a cigarette on the street. So he decides that whatever money father has paid me for my work, I will take up a place and I will start the cigarette shop over here. So he opens a shop over there. And this particular street is a very busy street, or it becomes a very busy street a little later, and his shop is doing quite well. So he flourishes, he buys one more shop right in the within the city, and then the second, third shop, the fourth shop, and one day he decides to uh, open his own a small cigarette factory. Now, with a small cigarette factory, his brand is like, goes very known, and his sales comes up, and he becomes a millionaire with that particular the factory that he opened. One day, for some reason, he goes to the bank where he has to sign some documents, and he is along with another person, maybe his PA or a secretary. So the bank manager, when he asks him to sign at a particular document, he says, "Okay, I cannot sign. I have to put my thumbprint." The manager, who knows this man as a millionaire, he looks at him and says, "Oh my God, you are not educated. You are illiterate." And he says, "And you are a millionaire. What if you were educated?" The man looks at the manager and says, "If I was literate, if I was educated, I would still be in the church, okay, and just dusting and cleaning the church." Did you understand? That's why I kept this, the title of this particular video, that universe has its own plan. So whenever you get dejected in life, depressed in life, when you lose an opportunity, you don't get admission into a college, whatever happens in life, there is always a plan behind it. If you keep up to the faith, the belief that the divine has something, and each and every person on this planet has got a unique talent, a unique skill, we are all gifted. It's all about time. It's all about the plan when it is going to fructify. So this was the message I wanted to give to those people who gets very dejected and depressed just because they don't get something in life. Like, maybe don't find an admission to the best of the college or whatever it is. So friends, this was something I wanted to share with you, and I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel, like my channel, hit the notification bell, spread around this video, spread it to your friends, colleagues, relatives and all. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. God bless you.